Just like that. What is going on, my Sasamoto family? We are back, and finally I get to ride. It is gorgeous out. I've been in the house all day, so right now I just need to pull this thing out. The car looks so good, man. If anybody wants to do ceramic coating to their car, I highly recommend it. It's been so long since I started up this bike. Holy cow. It feels so foreign. It really does. Oh, that cold start. Let's go. Haven't heard him forever. My heart is pounding. Like, I haven't ridden this thing in so long that my heart is pounding. Like, look at the weather today. It is freaking amazing. Hopefully the camera angles are good, because I'm so excited. I'm not even thinking straight at this point. I think we're gonna go check out the house to see where they're at, see how far they are in the progress. I have not gone to see the house. I have not been out of the house. I've been to work, to and from, vlogging out of this garage, because the damn garage door broke, and then I had my car, you know, getting detailed. So the guy told me it was going to be out for a whole week. So I had no vehicle whatsoever to get to and from anywhere for a little bit, even though he gave it to me soon enough. So it was kind of dope. Oh, okay. I saw your shadow, homie. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm gonna go take this spin. I want to go check out and see how far they are in the progress of the house. Then just go ride around for a little bit, just enjoy the ride, because it's Sunday. Luna looks so good. I even forgot how to control. Look at this. She only has 3,000 miles on it. I don't even know if she's warm or not. It's been that long. All is good though. Tires is good. Everything's good. Let's go. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm soaking this in so hard right now. Woo! Oh! You've lost the love and feeling. See, look, I'm already in a better mood. I was such in a grumpy mood today. Like, you don't understand. Like, in the past like month, I have not ridden this motorcycle in like over a month. Tonight it's supposed to rain, so I said let me try to get up early. Mind you, I was up at 6 a.m. It is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it took me forever to get out of bed. But now that I finally did, it is gorgeous out. Like, it's not super hot either. Oh, but these love bugs are so annoying right now. But I don't even know if I have enough fuel. I don't care. At this point, I'm enjoying myself. Like, my subject is all over the damn place. I don't care. Oh my gosh. This bike feels amazing. I'm not even wearing gear. I don't care. Today I just said just get up and get out. Usually I'm big on gear, but not today. I don't give a shit. I'm not gonna be riding all crazy. I just want to ride. That's it. Even if it's just like just a nice slow pace ride, like right now. This is what I needed. It's exactly what I needed. So anyway, you guys, we're almost at 1K. I've been trying to get content. It's been hard, man, not to leave the house and just try to grab any kind of content. Like, what in the world? Ooh, look at this Audi R8. Hello. Beautiful. Baby, my heart's on fire. Go ahead. You're welcome. I'm vlogging here, alright? I'm vlogging here. There's currently workers in here. Let's see. We are looking for 38. 37. There it is, 38. I am right here. Let's go. Look how different this place looks already. There's only people working on certain ones, so I guess I'll go in. Well, let's see. No trespassing. Got it. Ooh. I don't hear anybody in there, so I think we're good. It's been raining a lot, so hence the water. You're kidding me. Look at that. They built stairs and everything. Tripping. So I guess this is where the island is. You know what would be really funny? That this entire time I'd be looking at this house and it's not the one that's going to pertain to me. That would be hilarious. There's cups over there. I know I'm not supposed to be trespassing, but I don't care. Be careful with the nails. This is dope. How they're building this. It's like a covered walkway. So this walkway leads into the garage. Oh, they got the doors and everything. Say word, my friend. Say word. Hi. Big head. Window. I'm not a fan of this window. Because what if I want to walk into the garage naked? I'm just saying. I know me. Okay, the garage definitely looks bigger. Now that it's that this got some materials in it. Let me know, guys. That's another question that I do have. Will a pickup truck, fit in this? I don't remember the measurements, but I guess I'll throw it up here somewhere. I'll find it when I get home and when I'm uploading this video. I'll show you guys. Huh. They're moving pretty fast because this wasn't even covered yet. They did half of this. What's over here? Alright. This is where I'll be soaking up the sun. Naked. This is where I'll be cooking. Naked. I want to say wash and dryer? Definitely naked. And I don't know if I should go upstairs. Is it safe? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it is. As long as it holds my big ass, I think we should be good. Wow. This is dope. Master bedroom? I don't remember how the setup goes. Oh, wow. They are moving fast for sure. Alright, let me get out of here before I end up getting yelled at. Ooh, crack. Scared the shit out of me. His stairs cracked. Whew, my heart's racing. They were building this stuff fairly quickly. That's it, you guys. It's coming along. It really is coming along like fairly quickly. We're in what, September 11th today? I think there's supposed to be November. When in November? They didn't specify, but they said around November. I don't know. You guys tell me. It's September 11th now. Will this thing be built and completed and ready to go by November? They still have to put all the stuff inside and finish building, but it's coming along fairly quickly. Definitely stoked. I'm ready. Alright, I'm gonna cut the footage here in case if I don't cut it back on. See you guys in a bit. See you in the next one. Peace.